Okay.
Hi.
Hi. It's
Hello.
me and Kaykay.
Kaykay&Livvy. Yeah. Get this picture.
Okay. Well, guess what I did?
No, not that. Get it out of your sick minds.
Get out. Like.
Yeah.
No, but I puked on Michaela.
Yeah, seriously, she did.
I did because I was chewing gum and she made me laugh. And so it got stuck in my throat. It got stuck in my throat and I couldn't breathe. So it was either puke on her or die. So
She pinched my boob.
I did do that because I was like,
Well, don't do it now.
okay, but like I puked all over her.
No kidding. Like,
And we were gonna make this video earlier than like 7
hold on.
7 o'clock in the morning.
It is exactly.
We were gonna make it at like 4 something, but we were on the phone. Because we're special like that, and the person we were on the phone with loves us. Okay, I'm done now.
Hold on. Hurry.
Does it really take that long to find out the time? You're my honey, but sugar plum.
That's our song. It is 7:08 Eastern time.
Yeah, at
Okay.
7:08 Eastern time, it was 7:08 Eastern time.
Yep.
But then,
Okay, now we're gonna sing you our song because this is like our song. So yeah,
yeah.
ready? You're my honey bunch, sugar plum, pumpy umpy umpkin. You're my sweetie pie. You're my cupcake, gumdrop, sniggum, tiggums. You're the apple of my eye, and I love you so, and I want you to know that I'll always be right here. And I love to sing sweet songs to you because you are so dear. Mwah. Let me see. Mwah. Can you like sit up? I can't get up. Get up. Okay, we're up.
I hit the head!
Oh, we're wifeys, like officially.
We're wifeys,
Yeah. Like, see how the. Here.
Oh my god! I fell.
I mean, see it.
It's better.
Mine is better.
Where's it? I can't see it.
Oh my god. It's like right there. Yep, see him? Yep. Your mom checks this.
I will. She'll get over it. See?
We're wifeys.
Yeah.
Hello. And it is the first 7:08 in the morning of 2010.
Yeah! So, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, people.
We love you.
We love you too. Wait.
Nice, KK.
Yeah, I know, right?
Look at her feet.
Yeah, our feet are so cool. See? Watch
Yeah.
me go. I have socks.
Okay, well, you gotta come down because the camera can't see. Oh my god, where's your foot at? I can't lift your foot now.
My foot's.
Oh my god, she's pushing me against the headboard because she likes it like that.
Oh yeah, let me tell you.
Oh! I know that that person texted me back.
Yes, but I texted him back for you.
What'd you text?
Ouch.
Oh, Lmao, you're supposed to be sleeping.
She's texting this guy she likes. She's just like,
Shut up!
the first time they talked on the phone day, and he thought he loved her. Ew. You're violent. Sorry.
I told him he was supposed to be sleeping.
Do not sit on me.
I laughed if I would have fell off the bed.
What are you doing?
Tackling you.
Hey, I can give her an airplane. Do y'all know what that is?
I know I don't want an
Come
airplane.
on. You gotta back up because I can't get my head in the headboard.
I don't think the camera will be able to see
Oh
the
well.
whole effect of an airplane. And when I... Okay, are you sure you can hold me?
Yes.
It's because you're on my stomach and it hurts. Airplane. Can it see?
Okay, don't fall on my head,
Okay,
please.
okay, let me see your feet because you're This
Okay.
it hurt. Okay, right there, okay?
Okay. Okay, now I'm coming down. 2, 1.
Okay, bend your knees a little.
We used to do this all the time with each other.
Okay, now I'm coming down, so move your feet. Because I'm going to sit down now.
Okay.
Hi, how you doing? Hi, how are you?
She fell off the bed. And then that fell.
Okay.
Come on.
I'm gonna pee. Sounds like a personal problem.
What did we break? Oh, we didn't break anything.
Okay. Hey, no, gosh, hold on, I gotta check out something.
Hi.
She has scented tampons.
I know, right? There's like, they smell so good.
Smell it. Inhale it.
Inhale the wonders of them.
They smell good.
I remember the first time I showed her one, I stuck it like right up her nose.
Yeah, she's like, oh my god, smell this. And I was like, I can smell it fine from over here. How do you like it?
They smell good.
They do.
We like scented tampons. Yep. And yet she still doesn't even know how to use them.
I know how, I just don't like to.
I'd love to use them. I don't wear pads unless either I won't sleep. Why are we talking about this?
I don't know. Okay, well, we're gonna make this short because we're kind of tired, so bye.
Yeah, bye.
Mwah.
It's the viewers.